Day Trading Stu here. Today is November 16th, 2021, and today was a red day, big red day in relative terms to what I'm used to. $7.70 total red day. Took off a couple green days of my month, basically almost a whole week of green days for where I'm at right now. I got caught with GOVX. As you could see, this is a beautiful pre-market, and it was tightening up, and I liked it a lot. Now, I usually like to risk 10 cents to make 20 or 30. I like scalp trades. I like to be in and out very quick. I like the RSI consolidating. I like, it's coming down below overbought, and I like this Stoch RSI looking good. It was looking like it's going to come back up. It looked like it was accumulating a little bit. The volume's really nice here. What I didn't realize is now going to be a hard rule. It was a $8 learning experience today for me. This is a 20-cent block. Now, if I moved it to a 10-cent block like I'm used to, which is like right around here, this chart does not look as good as I would like it to. This is not really consolidating as much as I thought it would. Look, this wick is huge, 535 to 555. This is a 20-cent wick. This is huge. When it went to open, this is a huge wick. This is like an almost 20-cent wick each way. This is nuts. I would have not played this. Now, the way the chart sets up, it was like this. Now, this looks not too bad, right? My rule is also not to get in the first 5 minutes. Well, I get in for the break above this because it was making higher lows, and I wanted in. I had a little FOMO. So I got in for the break above this. My average in on the first trade was, let me just get to it really quick, was 9:33 a.m. I got triggered right here, 9:33 a.m. right here at the top of this candle, and I saw it go below VWAP, and I got out. This was a total FOMO and a total, I don't know what this thing was. I was scared shitless, and I don't know why. I just didn't. I wanted it so badly, but then when I got in, I knew it was too early, and I got out, and then this was almost a $4 loss, and then I got in again within 30 seconds, which is not my plan either. So my second trade was also on this candle as an in, and then my next candle came up, and I tried to get half. I got in for 15 shares, which is the only good thing I did today. First trade, which was a loss, was 30 shares. I sized down for my second trade. I got back in. It came up, and I waited. I was waiting for at least 10 cents because I think it was 560 was my next in, which was 10 cents higher than my first in, which should have been my first half out, really. And then it dumped. Big red candle. And then it came down hard. So I got out on my second trade right here for a loss of $4.34. Even though it was half the shares in my first trade, I lost pretty much double, even though it was a $4 negative return. So I was down $8.30 within the first 5 minutes of the day, which basically makes up, I don't know, 80% of my monthly gain so far, even though it's only $8. I'm only up $10 for the month. I'm going very small wins, small shares, just trying to go with the process. This is the first time I slipped up in over 2 months, so I'm proud of that. And also, I'm proud that it happened, and it happened very lightly. $8 is not a bad loss. I mean, I went to Chipotle yesterday for an $8.50 sandwich. Burrito, I should say burrito, because it's Chipotle. So, I mean, honestly, I went against my strategy. I'm going to stick to hard, fast rules. I am not going to get in the first 5 minutes. I'm really going to stick to not to go in the first 10 minutes, really. I want to wait to see this thing play out. So this is a really bad first two trades. I'm really unhappy with those trades, but I'm glad it happened, and I'm glad it happened with a small loss. Big loss compared to my monthly gains, but small loss in the real world. $7, not bad. I'll live to trade another day. RMO was my third trade. RMO, where are we at? Right here. RMO came up, it broke down, which is okay, but it came and ripped above VWAP. I like it. I got in for my first RMO trade. I had 2 RMO trades. My first RMO trade was 946, so this first trade should have been my first trade of the day. 945 should be my first start of getting executed. So 535 was my in, 534 I got triggered, and I put my stop above this candle right here. I'm sorry, below this candle. Let me zoom in real quick. So I got the break above this candle right here, 534, as volume was coming in, and it was getting overbought, which I like, and I held it through here, 531, and then I put my stop up to here, and I put my stop up to here, and then it broke me down right there, and that's fine. I went to the end of the move, and I'm okay with that. 3 cents gain, but I was at the end of the move, so fine, done. I feel like I had no mistake on that one, because I got in for the break, which I like, and I waited till the move was over. So it was only a very small move, but I'm okay with that. My other RMO trade was also no mistakes, which I felt was okay, because I waited for the break here, and I think I got a 547, and then I had a stop at 538, which is the bottom of this candle, and I got stopped out. So that's fine. No problem. I feel like that was fine. The other 2 trades I had, so I had 6 trades. My other 2 trades were on PROG. One was when I saw the volume come down. I wanted in badly. I got in too high. I think I got in, my high was at 950. I got in at 428, so it was more like right here, which wasn't too bad. But I knew it wasn't ready to break the high. My trade, I'm supposed to wait for the high of the break. I was going in for like a dip and rip, or at least consolidation, and I knew it would continue to consolidate, but it never broke the candle I got in at. So I should have stayed in. It was not a bad average, 428 to roll to, 428 would have made up a lot of my losses today. But I got shooken out because it came down on me, and I got shooken out on this candle, which, in hindsight, that was dumb. I was too quick to enter, which was a mistake, and I didn't hold on to it. This was only a 6-cent loss. So, yes, it wasn't a horrible entry. 428, I could have risked the bottom of this candle at 418, but I was really too early to the game. I need to wait till this consolidates and breaks the top. So my final trade of the day was my best trade of the day, and it was 959. It broke the top here, and my in was 445, and I held it, and it ripped up, and I got out at 459. The mistake here was I didn't hold it long enough. I only had 15 shares, which is not only. Usually with my original plan was 30 shares, half 15 out, half another 15. Usually the rip up is the first half. The second half I put the stop to each candle close. So it should have been, my second out should have been here. Now in hindsight, I had 15 shares. I could have taken 8 out or 10 out to begin with and then rode the last 5. I didn't do that. But a lot of lessons to be learned today. I'm keeping this video quick because I've been really thinking about this all day, and I'm really actually proud of myself for not having a huge loss. I ended the day with $7.70 loss. Not really that bad. I'm still up for the month, only very little, but in hindsight, if I got rid of my first 2 trades of the day, where I shouldn't have traded before 9:45, I would be up for the day. Also, if I took my first loss and it was against my rules and I got out, I would have been only down $3.96, and that would have been my day. So, I learned a lot today. I could have just stopped trading after my first trade because I broke my rules. I also could have not got in on my second trade right away. That was a horrible trade, the second trade. That was my biggest mistake of the day. And also, that chart was really bad. It was wicking too hard. Just to go over it again, GOVX, sorry, GOVX. GOEV was awesome today. I didn't get in that one. But GOVX, this was a 20-cent chart here. I need to make it a 10-cent chart next time. Now check it out when you make a 10-cent chart. It looks really crappy. I mean, look at this. These are the wicks that this is the wicks that happen in a 10-cent chart. This is too much risk. I didn't put two and two together. So that was my mistake. I need to make my charts 10 cent. They need to be blocked 10 cents. So that was my mistake today. I'm willing to pay for it. I'm totally cool with that. That's what happened. Life's life. I need to take these big losses in relative terms, because when I go up to 100 shares, 500 shares, 1,000 shares, it's going to happen. The last time I felt like this was in August, so it's been over 8 weeks since I've had a time that I went against my rules. So I'm going back to taping my rules to my computer. I set new rules, and I need to stick to them. If I stick to my rules, I won't have big losses, and that's what I'll do. So I'm happy it happened this way. I'm happy I didn't lose that much. In comparable terms, the last time this happened, like I said, in August was the last time I've had this situation happen. I lost $80 on that trade. Today I lost $8. So I mean, that's a huge difference, huge improvement. I'm really happy with my strategy, my process. It will take time. I'm human. I will make mistakes. I'll slip up. I just hope and I plan for it not to happen for the next few months again. I will continue to stick with the process and keep hammering it out. So that's all I got for you today. Hope you guys stay green out there. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, any help you want to address, anything you can help me with, drop the comments below. If you like the channel, give it a thumbs up. This is a video day trading journal to show you day trading is hard. It takes time to learn it, and over time I will prove that this works, and you'll see with proof that these are the days that count the most. So stay green out there, and look forward to seeing you tomorrow.